Okay. Today's topic is pump hydro energy storage system. Now, in which we have to need what is the concept of pumps hydro storage electricity. Now, in which it is a type of hydroelectric energy storage system, and this concept using electrical power system for load balancing. This method store energy in the form of gravitational potential energy, and this energy can be covered with the help of water and pump from lower elevation reservoir to higher elevation. That means the water pump from lower side to higher side for reservoir or any dam. Now this is the concept of hydro power system. Also, in which we have to need the concept of pump hydro storage system, and in which we have to need large amount of water. Also, the main function and main facility of the hydro storage system is stored energy in the form of water, and in which we have to need reservoir. That means reservoir means large amount of water stored in reservoir. Okay. Also, in which we have to need turbine, and this turbine convert kinetic energy into mechanical energy, and also this turbine is connected to the generator, and this generator convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Now this is the exact concept of hydro energy system with the help of pump energy system. Also, in which we have to need this is the hydro storage energy system, and in which we have to need the concept of pump storage plant. Now this is the pump storage plant. Okay, and in which we have to this is the reservoir. That means large amount of water stored in reservoir. Also, this large amount of water can be flow from this path. Okay, and also in which this is the turbine section, also in which generator. Then in which the large amount of water can be flow from this path. Then this large amount of water insert on blade of the turbine, and this turbine converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy, and also this mechanical energy give input to the generator, and then generator convert mechanical energy into electrical energy in the form of AC. Now this AC supply is given to the transformer wallet, also in which transformer section are shown in. Also, in which we have to connect circuit breaker. The main function of circuit breaker is close and open the circuit with the help of fixed and moving contact. Okay. Now this transformer is operate on AC supply, and as per requirement of the consumer, that is high or low, that means step up or step down. As per requirement of consumer, then use step up transformer or step down transformer. Now this is the pump hydro energy storage system, and also this pump storage is a large capacity storage system, and this also connected to the grid energy. Also, but in which we have to need at a time of maintenance. It is very complicated because this is a underground system, and pump hydro storage system in which the large maintenance occur, because this is not easy to repair the system. Also, in which we have to need pump and turbine, and in which use reversible turbine system and reversible generator system using this pump hydro energy system, and in which we have to use Francis turbine system. Okay, now this is the exact concept of pump hydro energy storage system. Then the advantages of pump hydro energy storage system is it stores large amount of water, and this water energy is converted in the form of electrical energy. Also, this energy is connected to the grid energy storage system. Also, and in which the storing energy easily released without any trouble. Also little effect occur in landscape. That means there are little effect occurring at a time of generate energy system. Then also in which no pollution or wastage. Now these are the advantages of the pump hydro energy storage system. Also disadvantages of pump hydro energy storage system is very important. Okay, then disadvantages: expensive to build. It is complicated system. It is not easy to design. Also, in which we have to need large amount of water for backup. Also, it is not easy to supply power demand to industry, because in which we have to need good planning, because at the time of system running in pump hydro energy storage system, then large amount of problem occur in transformer, circuit breaker and turbine. At that instant, not easy to recover whole system. Okay, then these are the disadvantages of the pump hydro storage system. Then next point is compressed air energy storage system. Then compressed air energy storage system, in which we have to need external grid. Then also this external grid supplies given to the motor. Then also in which we have to use compressor. Then the main function of compressor increase or decrease the pressure of air. Also this compressed air pressure is given to the high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine. At that instant in which the compressed air is insert on turbine, and turbine consists of two types, that is high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine. That means these two, this is a high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine, and in which the large amount of energy is insert on turbine. Then this energy is converted into electrical energy. That means inserted air is applied to the turbine rotor. Then at that instant this energy, that is air energy, is converted into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is given to the generator. Then generator convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, and this energy in the form of AC, and also this energy is given to the external grid. Now this is the exact concept of compressed air energy storage system. Also in which we have to need energy demand, and also this energy demand, it depends on period, that is time period, and also in which we have to need load from consumer side, that is peak load, and at that instant we have to require higher demand from output of the energy storage system. Then also the main purpose of compressed air energy storage system is help to manage supply of electricity from the grid. Also compressed air energy storage system convert electrical energy then with the help of high pressure compressed air. Also, in which the compressed air stored energy, and this existing energy can be used for external grid supply. Then also the compressed air energy storage system is its efficiency is more as compared to the pump hydro energy storage system. Also, most of the other compressed air energy storage plant operate same principle. That means this principle is very important, and this principle also using similar compressed air energy storage system. Also, in which we have to need how to increase the efficiency of the compressed air. That means we have to need the pressure. That means the main function of compressor. The compressor is increase or decrease the pressure of air, and this increase or decrease pressure of the air can be applied to the high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine. Okay, now this is the exact concept of compressed air energy storage system. Now this is the exact working of the compressed air energy storage system. Now in which the large amount of air is passed to the or insert to the compressor, and then compressor is a low pressure compressor and high pressure compressor, and this compressor can be run with the help of motor. Also, in which large amount of compressed air is passing through the turbine, that is low pressure turbine and high pressure turbine, and this air energy can be converted mechanical energy with the help of gas turbine, and also this gas turbine is connected to the generator, and this generator convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now this is the concept of compressed air energy storage system. Also, in which the compression of air creates heat, and this heat very dangerous to the at a time of instant working of the compressed air energy storage system, and this heated energy can be released with the help of expander and also exhauster. Also, we have to require exhaust fan to cool system, because large amount of heat generated with the help of compression of air. Now this is the exact working of compressed air energy storage system. Also, the main function of compressed air energy storage system is a way of capturing the large amount of energy with the help of compressor, and this compressor can be worked with the help of medium is air. Also, the main advantage of the compressed air energy storage system is increase the air pressure with the help of compressor, and this compressor convert air energy into mechanical energy. Now this is the exact concept of compressed air energy storage system. Okay. Now we can stop here. Now in this